Let's walk through how to insert a physical SIM card into your iPhone. This process applies to iPhone 13 models and earlier, as well as some iPhone 14 SE variants. First, power off your iPhone completely. Next, locate the SIM tray, which is usually on the right side of the device. Use the SIM eject tool that came with your iPhone or a straightened paper clip to gently push into the small hole until the tray pops out. Now, place your nano SIM card into the tray, ensuring the chip is facing down with the metallic contacts downward. This is the standard SIM format for modern iPhones. Slide the tray back into the iPhone until it clicks into place, then power on your iPhone. In most cases, your iPhone will automatically connect to your carrier's network for activation. If not, you may need to contact your carrier to activate the SIM. Sometimes, even after inserting the SIM, you might have issues accessing data. This is where APN settings come in. APN stands for Access Point Name, and these settings are the gateway that connects your phone to your carrier's data network. Usually, these settings are configured automatically, but occasionally, manual input is required. To find these settings on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular Data Options, then Cellular Network. You'll need the correct APN from your carrier. For example, Verizon uses VZ Winternet for data. For manual configuration, you'll enter the carrier's specific APN details. Here's an example guide for Verizon APN settings. If you're still having problems, verify that your SIM card is unlocked and compatible with your carrier. Also, check that roaming is off if you're not traveling. According to a 2024 Consumer Reports study, 15% of users experience activation delays due to outdated carrier databases, so calling their support may be necessary to resolve the issue.